Hi there. Thanks for checking out our repair channel. This is a kind of an overview and testing of this unit. This is a an old fence charger, an older model. It's called a PEL 450. This was made back in probably the 90s, maybe early 2000s, when PEL was still around here in the States. PEL eventually, what they were their own company for a long time back in the day, and then they eventually got bought out or sold off to whoever, whatever you want to say, to True Test, and True Test is who owns PEL now. Um, this is made over here in the States, or sold over here in the States for a while. There's a bunch of different PEL models. This is a 450. They made bigger ones, smaller ones. They made this one hangs on the wall, kind of sits like this against the wall. They made these squatty, boxy looking ones there for a while. Blue ones, brown ones, red ones, of different sizes and stuff. But this is a good unit. There are not a lot of parts available for it. We had to capacitors you can still retrofit and make a capacitor work in it. And then the boards I don't think are made anymore, but we were able to repair the board and keep this one going. And PEL is still around, but they're not sold over here in the States anymore. They're sold over in, I think, maybe Europe and Australia and New Zealand by the True Test people. They basically are the PEL name, but they're just a rebadged and different colored case of a Stay Fix or Speed Right. There's a blue colored case of instead of a red like a Speed Right or a green like a Stay Fix. They're just a different colored case, but same guts on the inside, and probably 220, 240 volts as well, compared to the 110, 120 version sold over here. Pretty basic unit on how it operates. Has just a little light there that'll flash red with every pulse, and that's about it. There's no gauge, no digital gauge on it or anything. It has a fence and ground knob, and that's it when it comes to operation of the unit. So, but if you got one of these, we'd be happy to take a look at it for you. We don't charge anything for looking at something. We give you a free quote, and then if you do give us the go-ahead to fix something, we do put a 1.5 year warranty on the unit, on the repairs that we do to a particular unit. And when we go through one, we usually go through the whole thing and test everything, put under a load, stress test it, let it run for a while, the load, just to make sure that it's operating right, so nothing leaves here not working like it should. So let's turn it on here. You see a little light there flashing. That's all it does, is flash a little light. So we're going to hook up this fence tester here. Put my fence lead over here. Actually, turn off for just a second. There we go. You see it putting out almost 10,000 volts, 9.8 kV out of it. And then we'll take a couple screwdrivers and we'll go across the terminals. You can see the thing spark. Those are pretty good zap out of it. So hits pretty hard. So yeah, hard hitting unit. These old PELs are really good. Another reason why the output is so bright, they've actually got a capacitor across the output side as a main capacitor, and all the other ones discharge off the board and into the transformer. Transformer puts out all that power to the output terminals, but there's a capacitor that sits right across there that also puts some power to the terminals. That's why this thing hits so hard. So it's kind of a slick way of putting out more power with a more compact of a unit. So anyways, if you want to check us out on our website, it's fencerfixer.com. Fencer and Fixer both spelled with an F as in Frank. And there's a little link down in the description area you can click on, take you to the site. You can email us from there, call us, text us. Check us out for what we do. We work on all brands, all ages. No matter how old or how new, we work on all that stuff. So, but until we do another video of how one works, or the features of a unit, or how to fix one, we will see you guys later.